Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is mobile IP, where IP stands for Internet Protocol. Guys, I have uploaded complete computer network subject tutorials. I will provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, mobile IP is nothing but it is a protocol. By using this protocol, devices like mobile phones and laptops, they can communicate to different networks without changing IP address. Guys, even though if we move our mobile to various locations, still we can access internet. It is because of mobile IP. Guys, normally if you move our device to new network, then IP address will change. But if you consider some applications like video calling and online games, if we change IP address, these applications will not work. So applications like video calls and online games, they need fixed IP address in order to work properly. So by using mobile IP protocol, we can solve this problem by keeping our IP address fixed even if we move to different networks. Guys, there are four main components in mobile IP. Device like phone or laptop, which is moving, we call it as mobile node. Guys, normally in our home, we will connect our mobile to router in order to access internet. So home agent is nothing but router which is present in our home. We call it as home agent. For example, from my home, I will move to some other place. And in order to access internet in that place, I need to connect to other router. So router in new network is known as foreign agent. So home agent mean router which is present in our home. And foreign agent mean whenever we move our mobile to some other place, if we connect to some other router in order to access internet, we call that router as foreign agent. Guys, care of address mean a temporary IP address which is given to our mobile in foreign network. We call the temporary IP address as care of address. Yes, for example, yes, corresponding node mean node which want to transfer data to device which is present in home network. We call the device as corresponding node. For example, one mobile is present in home network and there is other mobile which want to send data to device which is present in home network. So we call this node as corresponding node. Yes, whenever this mobile transfer data, it will include IP address of receiver. That is nothing but this device will include IP address of this device. But whenever this device is sending data, actually this mobile is moved to this network. Now this mobile is not present in this network. Now this mobile is moved to foreign network. So now this mobile is in some other place, that is in foreign network. But this corresponding node don't know that this mobile is moved to foreign network. So whenever this mobile transfer data, at first data is sent to router. By using this router through internet, data will be reached to this router. Now this router will identify that mobile is not present in home network. So now whenever home agent receive data, it will add other field. That other field is known as care of address. That is nothing but where device is present, it will add that address. And this care of address belongs to foreign network. Now data will be transferred to foreign network. Now whenever this mobile receive data, this mobile will remove care of address until this mobile reaches the data. So care of address is nothing but temporary address given to mobile when mobile moves to foreign network. And this address is given by router. So whenever mobile is not present in that network, by using care of address, data will be transferred to mobile which is present in other network.